This is our 2-gallon keg, also known as a Greg, that combines growler and keg to get Greg. Holds 2 gallons, made of stainless steel, comes with a cap, comes with a spear removal tool, and it has a threaded removable spear on it. So you have easy access for cleaning or filling. Also comes with just a sample keg collar that you can mark what's inside of it. We also have 10 packs of these. These work perfect for a kegerator. Also, these are the kegs that come in our ColdOne. So they're easy, they're perfect for batch cocktails, filling them at a brewery. You can usually get those guys to fill a keg. Comes with a pressure relief valve on it, which is set to go off just below 30 PSI. Works perfectly for hooking it up to a kegerator, but if you're hooking up to a Jockey boxes need 25 to 30 PSI, so you may not have the best luck hooking this up to a Jockey box depending on the pressure needed. But these are perfect for kegerators, hand taps, ColdOnes, or anything that where portability is kind of essential. So, any questions? Support@coldbreakusa.com.